In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel your MLS subscription on Apple TV. Let's get started. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your Apple account name at the top of the screen, then select Subscription. You'll see a list of your active subscription. Find and tap MLS Season Pass or the related Apple TV subscription that includes your MLS access. Next, tap Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial if applicable and confirm your choice. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period and you won't be charged again after that. If you're using an Apple TV streaming device, open Settings, go to Users and Accounts, select your account, then choose Subscriptions. Select your MLS subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to cancel it. On a Mac, open the App Store, click your account name, choose Account Settings, then click Manage next to Subscriptions. Select your MLS subscription and click Cancel Subscription. You can also manage your subscriptions from the Apple TV app on supported devices. If you don't see a Cancel Subscription button or you see an expiration date instead of a renewal date, that usually means the subscription has already been cancelled and won't renew automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.